ito na yung mga ingredients natin somehow. Actually, parang invento lang ito. Purpose cream. Have our fresh milk na some soda. Ang gamitin natin is Coke Zero. Yun. So, I'm going to get the ice and I'm going to be back here. Ito na ating ice. Yung blender jar. So, ito na yung the moment of truth. We're going to blend it. Actually, hindi na natin ibang blender parang ganun na yun talaga. Hindi ito talagang siya lang yung napaka-stable niya actually guys. Nakalimutan kong i-mention kanina. Napaka-stable niya. Even though malaki yung biniblend niya, talagang hindi siya mag-wobble or somehow magiging unstable throughout the process of its blending. So, here it is. No more words kasi excited natin tikman yung ating milkshake. And, anyway, I have prepared my milkshake glass here para ating nalagyan ng milkshake. So, 3, 2, 1, and... I think that was less than 10 seconds na hindi ako na-isip. Medyo meron pa siyang piece ng ice pero parang maliit na. Number 2 and number 3. Napakalakas mo talaga guys. Parang porsadong. And it is so stable. Also, one thing that I really like with this blender is ang smooth ng kanyang switch. So, eto na. Okay na ating milkshake. And if kukuha kayo ng lid niya, na notice ko parang may position siyang parang ganito. Dapat nakalagay pa siya sa kanyang blender mismo before mo kukunin yung lid niya. Yung nilalagay ko sa glass ngayon is yung excess na ganache kanina sa aking ginawang cake cups. Ayan. To top it with some airy. Some metal straw. Wow. Tignan nyo guys. Masarap. Yung ice talaga, yung na-notice ko talaga, talagang pipinuhin yung blender yung ice. As in parang hindi mo siya mararamdaman na may ice talaga. So ano pa ba yung aking masasabi sa ito? Actually, hindi natin na i-try ito. So I think you should try it naman kasi para fair at makita niyo talaga yung kung anong kanyang performance. So we're going to set this aside yung jar niya. And we're going to put this attachment. Never yung gagawin ito. Lagayan nyo and yung mag-turn on kasi it will napakadelikado guys. So never do that. You should have this first put here and like that. And yan. We're going to make a Yakult smoothie. And first, we're going to take our tumbler and nasuggest sa manual na lagay nyo muna first yung dry ingredients. Akala ko cake yung gagawin natin. Yung wet ingredients and then yung ice. Kasi para hindi naman masobrahan yung blender. Even though na malakas siya, hindi naman natin siya ganun ka sobrahan. So here's our Yakult. Actually on the spot lang to guys, hindi talaga to planado na ingredient or recipe rather na parang feel ko lang magtimpla-timpla. So, talagang tansya-tansya lang to guys. Pinagyan natin ng konting cream. This one is Ferna flavoring and color. And lastly is yung ice natin. I think we're going to add some 6 na siguro. 1, 2. Sana aking na-notice is yung blade ng personal jar is not the same sa blade ng malaki na jar. So, even though na magkaiba sila, it really still has the performance to crush ice. We're going to blend it in 3, 2. So, ayan. There you have it, strawberry Yakult milkshake or smoothie rather. So, ayan. Napaka-smooth ng ice.